Hello students, good morning. This is your social study class now. Students, last day I have explained you about three types of festivals. And first I will ask you, what is festival? Festivals are the time. Festivals are a time of joy and happiness. Right? So there are three types of festivals. Last day we discussed. First one is national festival, second is religious festival, and third one is harvesting festival. So in your syllabus, uh, religious festivals are given. So we will read one by one what is given in your book. Religious festivals. Okay, India is a vast country. People here having different culture, different religion, caste, creed. They celebrate different types of festivals also. So we will read now one by one the festivals given in your book. First one is Holi. Holi is the festival of colors and it is celebrated by Hindus. So it falls on the month of February or March. On the eve of Holi, on the day of Holi, before the day, last night, think today is Holi. The last night people celebrate of burning of Holika. Okay, burning of bonfire. That marks the burning of Holika, the evil. So on the eve of Holi, people in neighborhood make bonfire. People make bonfires and marking the burning of Holika. Holika is the sister of Hiranyakashipu. She is the aunt of Prahlad. Okay, and she was evil. So on the day of Holi, people greet. Next day, Holi is next day. Last day, Holika, then next day is Holi. People greet each other and they play with colors, watercolors and gulals. Gulal means dry colors. Dry uh, colors are called gulal or abir. Okay, and people play with balloons, water balloons and pichkari. Water balloons are dangerous thing. Don't use that. Okay, this is bad practice. And people use this pichkaris and they enjoy Holi. One sweet is very special on the day of Holi. That is Gujia. Gujia is very famous. Okay, so this is very special dish. And next one is Durga Puja. Durga Puja is worshipped during the month of October. Okay, Goddess Durga worship in Durga Puja, which is widely celebrated in the state of West Bengal, then Tripura and Assam. And the idols of Goddess Durga are beautifully decorated in pandals with her sons and daughters, Kartikeyan and Ganesh, and daughters Saraswati and Lakshmi. They are also god and goddess. Okay, so the idols are beautifully decorated, the pandals are beautifully decorated with uh, gorgeous lightings. And on the day of Vijayadashami, these idols are immersed into rivers or ponds. So, like this, we celebrate Durga Puja for 5 days. Okay, and then the last day is called Dashera. That is Dashami. Dashami is called Dashera. That is called Vijay Dashami also. Dashera coincide with Durga Puja. This is the 10th day of the Durga Puja. This is celebrated widely in West Bengal as well as North India. It is celebrated in the memory of Lord Rama. It is celebrated in the memory of Lord Rama's victory over Ravana. Ravana was a demon. Okay, so the efficacy of Ravana, Meghnad, and Kumbhakarna are burnt on the day of Dashera. What is the meaning of Dashera? Dashera, that means a, a person having 10 heads. Okay, so he defeated. So he was defeated by Rama, Lord Rama, and the effigies of the Ravana, then Meghnad and Kumbhakarna are burnt. People celebrate it with as a strength of good over evil. Okay, it marks the good over evil. So this is Dashera and Durga Puja and Holi we have learnt. So students, today's class ends here. Tomorrow we will continue with more festivals. Okay, we will learn more festivals. Goodbye students.